Hello Code Crafters, I am delighted to invite each and every one of you to participate in our City University's upcoming Hackathon on 26th and 27th of October 2023. A hackathon is a collaborative event where students come together to brainstorm, design, and create innovative solutions to real-world problems. It's not just about the competition. We promise a fun and unforgettable experience with games, snacks, and the thrill of a 24 hours adventure. We are offering cash prizes for the winning teams. So if you have a competitive spirit and a desire to win big, this is your chance. So mark your calendars, set your alarms, and get ready to hack your way to success. Join us for this exciting 24 hours hackathon and let's create something amazing together.